Okay, I bought this Harbor Freight motorcycle lift the other day. Finally got it together. It's pretty easy to put together. I did it myself in just a short period of time. Overall, it's pretty good. Big thing here is this front tire holder. That's a piece of garbage. I have to change that out. Look on YouTube, most people do that. But overall, it's not bad quality. It gets it up to where you can work, decent height. One thing I will say is the bolts right here to hold these little casters on are junk. Like at 4 inch-pounds, they'll strip out on you. So keep that in mind. You may want to swap to something else. And for some reason, they put the strap holders back here, which doesn't make sense. I would pull the bike backwards. I've always liked pulling forward with my straps. Maybe I'm missing something, but I just have them hooked up in the front now and it works good. Word to the wise, it comes in a giant box. Big wooden crate. It weighs 400 pounds, and the guys at Harbor Freight will not help you load it. They'll tell you to go to the back. They'll show up with a forklift, and the forks can only go this way. So there's no way to really get it on a truck. So I had them put the heavy end. There's a heavy and light end. It says that on the box. Put the heavy end in the truck. I mean, my son picked the other end up off the forks and slid it the rest of the way in the truck. It was quite heavy. All the pieces were there. Nothing was damaged. Well, I say all the pieces were there. I was missing a couple cotter pins and a couple washers, but if you have a need for a motorcycle lift, you probably have washers and cotter pins anyhow, so it's not a big deal. But typical Chinese stuff's always missing everything. So, but overall, it'll serve my purposes quite well. Of course, this is my 1975 Honda XL100. It's got low compression. One of the videos when I was at Highland Off-Road Park, Cedartown, Georgia, it was struggling. So we're about to tear into that, figure out what's going on. I've got to get ready for Barber Small Bore this year over in Birmingham, Alabama. So definitely want to take that. I'm going to do a couple races over there. Sorry for the plants. It's winter, so the garage is full of plants and project bikes. Like a 1974 CL200 torn apart. Suzuki GN400. Yeah, CL200. 1974, 1 year only bike torn apart, working on that. In fact, the engine, this is the engine come out of it, it's trash. GN400 Suzuki over there, just picked it up real cheap. Somebody started the cafe racing deal out of it. I'm gonna finish it. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But anyway, there's another CL200 engine. I got crap everywhere. I've got organized, but this is project one. Got to take this to Barber. That's why I bought the lift, save my poor back. Yeah, so like I said, I got shit everywhere. And who has a Ham's Bear in their garage? That's the ticket right there. Not too many people have one of those. Bet y'all jealous now. But anyway, quick review on the Harbor Freight lift. Hydraulic, of course, works pretty good. So.